In this video, I will show you 9 different proven benefits of ginger that will improve your health, both in our body and in our mind, plus the best way to consume it. Remember to stay until the end of the video so you don't miss out any of this valuable information. Number 1. Facilitates digestion. Ginger has the ability to activate intestinal movements and the absorption of nutrients. At the same time, it also helps us eliminate toxins that are not necessary for the proper functioning of our body. That is why this plant can also be used to treat heartburn or intestinal gas. Number 2. Promotes weight loss. Ginger acts by accelerating metabolism and therefore stimulates the process to burn fat. Its consumption causes the body temperature to rise and more sweat is produced, and thus we favor weight loss. Number 3. Prevents diseases. According to some studies, this plant could help prevent diseases such as colorectal cancer because it contains compounds called 6-gigerol that prevents the development and proliferation of cancer cells in the intestinal area. Number 4. It is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Ginger has antioxidant action in the body. What it does to us is that it helps us prevent diseases such as the flu and colds. Number 5. Improves blood flow. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory effect, it is capable of regulating blood pressure by improving blood flow. Also, it makes the blood more fluid and favors the prevention of cardiovascular diseases. Number 6. Eliminates dizziness and vertigo. It is especially effective in the dizziness that we usually experience in the mornings or pregnant women, so chewing or drinking ginger tea can prevent nausea. Number 7. Decreases migraines and menstrual pain. Ginger has been used for this for many years, and it is because this plant has the ability to block the effects of prostaglandin, which is present in both pains. Number 8. Flu relief. As I have already told you before, ginger promotes sweating since it heats the body from within. This reduces the symptoms of this disease. Number 9. It is an aphrodisiac. And finally, yes, ginger is an aphrodisiac. Its anti-inflammatory action also helps to relax muscles and tension in the body, thus improving blood flow and sensitizing the body's erogenous zones. What all these properties do is that they make it a true natural aphrodisiac, and its effects can be seen very quickly. What is the best way to take it? As mentioned, consuming ginger on a regular basis and, if possible, on a daily basis will bring excellent benefits for our body and health. It is not very relevant how the plant is taken, but there are various ways to suit the consumer: fresh or raw, powdered with tea, or blended into a drink. With this, we come to the end of the video. If you know of any quality that I have forgotten about ginger, I invite you to tell me about it below. If you liked the video, give it a like. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to find out about new health tips and hit the notification bell. Remember to consult with your doctor before following any of these tips.